now I have one of my friends coming from LA. He's a car designer. He does 3D renderings and crazy stuff, and he also has really cool parts for not only the BMWs but Mercedes as well. Oh yeah, the OEM X pipe is back on the car because the last one I had was too smelly. It smelled so bad, like really, really bad. If you look at my car, I have the seats and the cage and everything, but if you look in the back seats, it is just a mess. There's like packaging back here from an X pipe, there's towels, and then there's like all those wires on the left that are from the actual car. So it's not like super clean looking, unfortunately, and I do like having the seats down or away because now I can actually hear the exhaust a little bit more. But since I have the, I don't know, I'm pointing this way, but the E46 air intake, I enjoy the induction sound more than a loud exhaust. So what I plan on doing is so I have it all stripped out. I'm gonna do a full rear seat delete back here. My friend Hanbin does this and he designs these, and I think that it'll look, yo, what are these sprinklers doing? So I think that having a clean back seat will most definitely make a big difference and look cleaner, just overall presence of the car. So I know it's hard to see back there, but I'm just trying to get it before and after. I know it looks like I parked bad, but I wanted to leave room because apparently when you install these, you just do it through the trunk. So I left enough room to make it work. What the hell is that?
So this is the back door.
Oh, cool.
There's a back door right here. It's cut in half, and then what I do, it's not too bad, to be honest. So I gotta scalp this thing. So this one goes in. This one. And then I'm gonna just squeeze through. Yeah. Okay, gotcha. That's what the problem. I have to put it this way. Other deletes, you actually have to remove the cage, you know?
Oh yeah, and that's it. Very, very cool. Super clean design. It had to be cut down the middle to fit for the cage, but when you look at it, it is so nice. I have to go get my bolsters from Precision, so that'll cover us. Thank you.
Yeah, see you, man.
See you, bro. He came here all the way from LA to install that for me. Yeah. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
Planted.
Oh, they're nice. I've planted in my car.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're pretty solid.
These are for E46 M3.
No, they're universal.
These are for universal. So you upgraded the seats to your Senna, right?
Yeah.
Is this going in that thing?
Nah, this is going in that golf cart over there.
Oh shoot! It's gonna look sick on the golf cart, bro. I don't want to scrape. Damn, man, is he getting a new car? Manny, you're on a different level of balling, bro. Jeez. All right, these are the hood props. I took some photos of them. I'll do photography and stuff. They will over at Precision right now. I gotta go back to work. I have a lot to do today. Parker, I just said we have a lot to do today, and then I panned over to you. The racer scooter. What the fuck? We're over here at Carbon Canyon. We're pulled over on the side of a random road in the middle of the canyon because we're shooting a video with our two M3s going through these canyons. So I'm gonna do the best job I can. I have some GoPro footage that I'll probably insert, or maybe this will go in the video. But yeah, figured I'd record. I don't want to miss out on recording this, so I'll show you guys what we're up to today. And it's like 6 right now too. Wish I could see.
Oh.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm behind up here.
Okay, so go back where we went?
Yeah, back.
Okay.
I'm gonna let you guys know when to come through.
Such a random, like, little spot over here. Oh, is that not Nate? Oh, it is. Okay.
I don't know what he's doing. He's just having a day off.
Have a little faith in me.
All right, I'm ready.
You guys want to let me know when you guys are close. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna hear it. We're driving up right now. We just turned off that street we were on.
Coming back, Nate. Parker, get closer. Just got a couple clips going up this canyon. Dude, the elevation here is crazy.
Yeah.
It changes so much. Car's doing all right. I think these tires are coming up on the end of their life, but at least putting them to use. Whoa. Damn.
Maybe because you're all I need.
5.
Faith.
You have 5.
Faith.
Oh. A 3 Series. Warming up his hands, getting ready to watch a clip.